How to lift up the room in Homestyler. Lifting a room in Homestyler means adjusting its elevation, which is especially useful when you're creating split-level homes or raised areas like platforms, balconies, or mezzanines. First, enter your project and select the room or space you want to adjust. Homestyler gives you control over the floor height from the property panel. This panel shows up once your room or floor object is selected. In the height settings, you can manually increase the floor elevation by entering your desired value. This raises the entire room above the base level. Once lifted, you'll want to check the stairs and other connecting elements to ensure everything lines up smoothly. Homestyler automatically recalculates the room's height, but visual confirmation in 3D view is a must. This feature is perfect for creative designs like sunken living rooms or raised kitchens. You can even simulate terrain slopes or foundation differences by lifting different rooms to various levels. And if you want to take your designs further, the link to join Homestyler is in the description. Try it for free and get access to even more detailed customization tools. With this technique, your designs can break out of the typical flat floor style and start showing off real architectural creativity. Give it a try. It's easier than you think.